This is not a chatbot. This is Abu Dhabi's AI agent. You don't need to install anything. You don't need to log in anywhere. It works inside your WhatsApp.
And this AI agent is made for business and which can cater owners, employees, and the customers. It can connect to your CRM or an ERP and answer back in real time.
If you are a business owner, you are always busy with something. Sometimes you are traveling, sometimes you are busy with your family. You don't want to open your ERP or CRM. You simply open your WhatsApp and ask the questions. How many deals you closed? How many inquiries came today? How much money is pending to receive? All the answers, the AI agent can get the information from your system and replace to you immediately. No calls, no messages, no disturbing your team.
And employees as well, they can make use of this AI agent. And most of the times, all the data is front of them, but they might waste time searching things. And over here, they can just chat in the WhatsApp, ask what's the status of this customer, how much of orders has he done, and what is his tasks we have to be finishing in time. All of it, AI agents reply back instantly, and the works get faster, and the work is more efficient with the AI agent. And likewise, customers also can talk to the agent through the WhatsApp, and he can ask about inquiries on your products or on your services. And the agent gonna answer back in real time, much faster than a human being. And if he's a registered customer, he can ask for questions like, what's my ticket status? What's my invoice status? What's my invoice details? And all of it comes in real time from the CRM or the ERP. And this AI agent can help business owners, the employees, and the customers. And this is Abu Dhabi's proper AI agent and all your entire business in one WhatsApp.
This is Abu Dhabi's AI agent, your entire business inside one WhatsApp chat. Thank you.
From Additive. Thank you.